Good to see you, bud. I'm glad you're up and about. Yeah.
Did they call?
Yeah.
Yep.
Bless you, bud.
No problem.
All right. Yeah.
Two lessons this past Thursday. Yes, I have 3 lessons with my pro there. I'm thinking about taking one with Bobby.
Exactly.
Big thing
Thursday.
is it feels so awkward.
TSWC Architects, may I help you? Okay, one moment. TSWC Architects, may I help you? Okay, one moment.
During this photo shoot, what should I do? Should I have written a script so I could talk for the amount of time I need to? Should I have improvised or read a book? I don't know. I think what I'm doing right now is working real well. During this photo shoot, I'm trying to figure out what I need to do. Should I read a book? Should I have written down some type of script or improvise? Because anyone could really improvise. It's quite easy. Robin Williams used to do it. Did a very good job. I never saw a director cut him. All right, what should I do again? Should I read a script? Should I read a book, or should I improvise? Anyone can improvise. I think comedy routines do a very good job when people do it that way. Maybe I'll keep going at this. 15 seconds will end real soon. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, wait a minute. I don't have a script. What do I need to do? Maybe I'll just go ahead and improvise and talk about something for about the next maybe 5 seconds or so. So what do you think I should do? Tell me, let me know. I can't find my script anywhere. What am I going to say during this shoot? What the heck? Maybe I'll just keep improvising, because I think people can do a good job on that as well as reading a script. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Trying to figure out how that sounds. Would it sound any different if I was reading, or just keep going the way I'm going? I think I'll just keep working it this way because time's almost over. You tell me, people get offended by a lot of things, whether it's the clothes you wear, whether it's the way you talk, or maybe sometimes even symbols. Do you think some people would get really offended if they saw this symbol right here? You know, people can get offended over a lot of things, whether it's a symbol, whether it's finger language or body language. Some people can even get offended over a simple letter because it represents something from another school. So you tell me. You tell me, would you get offended by something that someone wore? I mean, people get offended by body language, finger language, even symbols about different things. So would you get offended over this? Please tell me. Welcome to our household, UC Blue Ash.
We are in our living room.
In the corner we have the secretary,
This was from Preston's parents also.
and it also has antiques in there from my wife's side of the family. Welcome to our household. You see blue ash,
This is our living room.
and right here in the corner is the secretary that we have.
This was from Preston's parents also.
We also have antiques inside that's from her side of the family. What do you think about the pump organ over there?
I like it. That was from your parents' house, wasn't it?
Yeah, it came from my mother's house. It's dated 1860, so I know it's been in her side of the family for a long time. What do you think about the pump organ?
I like it. That was from your parents' house, I believe.
Came from my mother's house. It's dated 1860.
It's a pump organ and it still sounds really nice.
Yeah, I'm glad it still works at this point in time.